Alright, here's the old Egr valve. Came off pretty easy. Just 2 bolts there and the big nut on the pipe. Listen to this. Hear the pintle in there? You can blow through this. It's pretty much free flowing. But in this position, the pintle is basically floating up and down. As you can see in there. So I think there's supposed to be a spring up here that's broken or missing, but you can't really take this apart. So I guess we'll have to buy a new part. Shouldn't be too expensive, maybe 70 bucks or so. But you know, for this truck, that truck's on a budget. Alright, I'll show you the results of the new valve. Alright, we finally got our new Egr valve from Rock Auto Parts. That's my favorite place to order parts online. And yeah, it was a little frustrating having to wait over the weekend for the Ford OEM part, but I'd rather not have this thing come back with another bad Egr valve. So here's the new part. Hopefully this is guaranteed to fit, right? So remember the other one, the old one here, you could blow through here. It's free flowing right now. Okay, let's try with the new one. Perfect. So one little bench test, you can put a little vacuum on there and see if it opens up. Let's try that. Alright, we got the vacuum pump here. Let's pump it up. It actually holds vacuum. Okay, good. Nice. You can even see the pintle in there. So when I release the vacuum, it should pop back closed. Beautiful. Alright, let's pop this baby in and fire the beast up. It's been taking up room here for too long. Alright, back inside the truck. Let's go back to our scan tool and just clear the codes, start her up, look at our fuel trims, look at our DPFE data. So let's activate our Ford. Alright, scanner. Yep. Alright. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's in our memory. Oh yeah, this is the the long one. So from here we actually want to go to engine powertrain, AT with AC. Yep. And now we can go to our codes menu. Let's see, memory codes. Okay. And that's what we had before. Pending codes. No codes present. Alright. So let's clear the codes. Let's see, codes menu. Clear codes. Yep. Okay. Alright. Let's see what's... That worked. Okay, great. And now let's also do to our functional test. Let's reset the keep alive memory so our fuel trims will start from scratch. Well, we don't need to do this, but let's do that anyways. I changed my mind. Let's just do data display and we'll see what the memory is and if it corrects once we start it up. So let's look at our drivability data. I don't remember if this list has the DPFE. Yeah, there we go. So let's customize this. Deselect all. Go RPM. engine temperature, closed loop, open loop, sensor 1.1, sensor 2.1, long-term and short-term fuel trims, our MAF, RPM desired, our DPFE voltage. I think that should be good. Let's graph our DPFE voltage and, well, long-term, short-term fuel trims. You'll be able to see. One more thing I wanted to graph was the idle air control valve. Sorry. Custom. That one right there. Okay, list view. Let's graph our DPFE and our idle air control valve. Then we can see our trims there. So let's give it a whirl. Alright, our DPFE is still around 1 volt. I like that. It's beautiful. Our idle air control valve is coming down. We'll just wait until we get into a closed loop here. And you see the RPM is dropping, and the desired RPM is dropping, so they're following each other. It's great. It's idling real nice and smooth. I like it. So still an open loop here. Our oxygen sensors are still lean. And once they go rich, we'll start cycling. There you go. There you go, closed loop. There he goes. It's starting to bounce around. It's great. Look at that. Look at our short-term fuel trim. It's countering. Great, right? Long-term is 10. Short-term is -10. Oh man, what a beautiful fix. And that will relearn very quickly. Let you listen to how it sounds now. This is how a V8 is supposed to sound. Very nice. Nice and even. No misfires. No shaking at all. So our long term is coming down. That's great. So let's take it for a spin. And I think we can call this one a fix. Thanks for watching.